Today's a very special day. We are on our way to Lowell, Massachusetts right now to pick up a Wing that actually comes with a trunk and the backup camera for an amazing price that we couldn't pass up on. And right now we're about 45 minutes out and we're gonna be heading there and meeting up with this guy somewhere in a parking lot. I don't know, we've never really done a transaction like this before, so we're gonna figure it out and have fun with it. Hopefully this thing looks mint. We're very excited. Great start to our morning.
I will tell you.
No coffee in us though, so.
No, I know. I will tell you though, for the price that he's giving me this Wing trunk and backup camera for, it's like unbeatable. For the shape that he sent me the videos in, it's insane. Like, this is like a steal.
Oh, absolutely. The price that we got this for was awesome. So this is going to be hopefully a perfect adventure. Hopefully the condition is great. Hopefully there's no dings, there's no scratches in it. And we're gonna take this baby home and install it. Shouldn't be too complicated, we're gonna find out. But right now we're just chilling. Driving, we have no coffee in us, barely any breakfast. We had to rush.
Oh my god, yeah.
This thing almost had to be jumped this morning. We're taking the mom whip today, the Honda CRV.
I didn't know if it was gonna fit in the WRX. I was like, I don't want to take the risk because we're gonna have to go far, and I don't want to be stuck with the trunk an hour and a half away from home. So we kind of just said, yo, let me take your car. It's gonna throw right back in the trunk. Be all set.
Well, yeah, but I think we have a lot of space back there, but we didn't want to.
Messy, but we're good.
A little messy. We didn't want to risk it with the Subaru. So you know what? We're on an adventure with the CRV. CRV's gonna come in clutch today. If we still had your RAV4 at him, we'd
oh my god.
We'd have it.
Should have kept that thing, because all the adventures we did in that thing before, oh my, the wood.
His RAV4 was the most reliable thing in the world. That thing got us through a lot.
Until the very end.
Yeah, till the very end. That cars start to have problems when they get old, man. That kind of stuff happens.
Well, we're on to bigger and better things.
On to bigger and better things.
Trunk and Wing's gonna come in.
On to pick up a Wing. Here we go, boys. The adventure all starts now. Let's go.
Literally was a Dunkin' Donuts 2 seconds on the street.
Yeah, that's Massachusetts for you.
It's New England.
That's New England.
Dunkin' Donuts on every block.
Oh, hey, by the way, it was snowing yesterday here.
Oh, it was.
It really was.
And it's funny because last Saturday it was literally 70. Like, was it 72?
72. It's gonna be 70 on
yesterday. It snowed.
Yesterday it snowed. It's gonna be 70 on Tuesday.
And today it's raining.
So
that's New England weather for you.
When we tell you guys literally welcome to New England weather, I'm telling you in this channel, you guys are going to see the insane amounts of New England weather.
Where it's nice
You're
and
gonna
hot,
see, yep.
And nice and cold.
You're gonna see random hurricanes. You're gonna see random snowstorms in the middle of April. Top donut. I've never heard of that.
No, me neither.
We've been living around here for 21 years. So just be prepared for all the weather because it's tough around here. That's it. They don't
like car shows might get canceled because of snow or
just
raining like crazy. It's
no sympathy around here. That's
no, it really isn't. There's a bus coming out of a side street.
Nice.
Alright, so we're pulling up to the spot where we're meeting this guy. You're good, dude. I'm gonna say. I'm actually nervous, bro. I've never done this.
His first ever Facebook Marketplace transaction.
Yep. And it's over an hour and a half away.
I know.
Nice.
This would be my third transaction.
Where's our partner?
Yeah, just
There's a snowbank. Speaking of the snow.
There's the snowbanks. They stick around just up until about June.
Yep.
Where we live is a joke, man.
Honestly, really is.
It really is.
But
here we are. We just made it, waiting for the guy to show up. And hopefully the transaction all goes well.
I hope it's quick because I'm just trying to get home and eat food and then put
it on. We're starving. We barely had anything to eat today.
Well, last night woke up this morning and
on the go we were. So here we go. Hopefully this guy shows up quite soon. We can get this thing out of here, get it on our journey back home, about an hour and a half drive home, and get this thing on. I'm very excited for it.
So we just stopped to get food at McDonald's. We're hungry. Picked up the Wing. It was like 5 seconds. Took the Wing, looked at it, gave him the money. Bam. Now we're at McDonald's. We'll leave him. We're about to get home. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Got a 45-minute drive home.
You wanna go see it? Let's go.
Let's go look at it. Popper, baby. Oh,
look at that. It's pretty much brand new. Like it's
good
clean.
condition. He waxed it, cleaned it for us too, so it looks really good. One little lash stuff.
Pretty light too.
Pretty light. Looks nice. So we gotta go home, take the other trunk off, pop this Larry on. But first we gotta get the hell home, and we needed food. We were starving.
Oh, I couldn't have made it home. I
No,
probably
couldn't
passed
do
out.
it.
I'm so hungry, bro.
Good food, but now we're gonna head home, get this Larry on.
Get this thing on the road.
Finally, this is what we wanted. This is what we needed.
Oh wait, you said we were gonna transfer the lights. They're already there.
They are?
Yeah. Those are
Oh, that's good.
camera.
Oh, and we have the harnesses too for the backup camera that we have. So that'll be fun.
Damn. All right, let's do it.
All right,
Baby.
here we go.
Let's drive home.
Let's hit the road.
The van.
Oh, yes. No. Oh, dude, the corner's fine.
Move it back that way. I can get this out.
Look. Is she stressed?
We got everything in.
We finally made it home, thank God. We have the trunk here. This thing looks actually pretty clean. Obviously, we looked at it before we bought it and stuff, but the thing's so shiny, D-badge and everything. We got the harness for the backup camera. You can still kind of see the STI badge on the side, but it's not bad. Now it's time to back the car in, baby. Let's go. Give her the juice, bud. Jesus. Just a bit. Still cold though. You know, will there ever be a time we work in this garage and it's warm?
Well, we shut the door, yeah?
Yeah, dude, every time we work in this garage, it's cold. It's always cold in this garage, man. This is it. This is the final time you will see it like this.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, I do like this like stock spoiler lip they put on it. I do like it.
I don't.
You know, I do like this factory OEM spoiler lip they put on it. It's alright. It's better than just having a trunk that just, you know what I'm saying?
100%.
But now it's the other thing I like is I don't have any of this.
Yeah, no more badges.
Oh, God.
All right, I'm done wasting time. Let's get her off. Let's get her on. Let's go.
Let's get her on.
Come on now.
Let's sing on. We're at our other shop.
Our other shop for the day. We have no idea how to install this, so we're gonna figure it out right now.
We're trying to figure out the harness. Obviously it comes up here and goes behind this piece. But we figured out that we follow which wires go to where, and we see here that this is the one for the backup camera. This one right here. And the harness, he broke it. I don't know if you can see that, but this wire is sticking straight up. So technically this harness is junk. So what we're gonna have to do is take this piece off of my trunk, disconnect the harness from here, leave it hanging so we don't take that side panel off, and then pop these clips off and there you go. Junk harness. That's probably why.
Yeah, that's probably why he added it in there. Oh, just take it. You want to replace the wires, go replace the wires. I just want to say really quick, thank you guys so much for the love and support on our last video. We put a lot of work, a lot of effort into that. So thank you guys for all the views, and we appreciate it. So
Extra subscribers too, yo. Thank you guys.
thank you guys so much. We put in a lot of time and effort on this thing. So although today's a little bit of an easier project, so we think. We got a lot of stuff planned for this car. So if you're new to the channel, you want to keep watching us, go right ahead. We're just going to be building this car and having a lot of fun with it. But like we said, we appreciate everything you guys do for us. Thank you very much. All right, show the work.
Well, that was a disaster. This clip right here, oh my God, trying to get that out of there, dude, you can't even get your fingers in here. Like, I can't even see my finger in that hole. I kind of just ripped it out. These clips right here are pretty easy. Everything else just slides off now. These two clips were a pain. I kind of broke this one a little bit, but hopefully it'll go back in.
Yeah.
Other than
Kinda
that,
busted her up there, bud.
I think she's
Just
ready.
pulls right out. Yeah, we're using the scraps. We have to use the old one because the wire's all screwed up on that one.
So that's that.
Kind of had to make do with what we got, and we got her going. So now we gotta take these two bolts off, and hopefully this flies right off, and we can get the new baby on. We're gonna save this for something for the future potentially. So that's why this is gonna stay. That's just a fill-in. Wink, wink. That's just a fill-in. Wink, wink. Just a fill-in. Not for the sketchiest part.
Yep. It's freaking me out. There'll be one interesting event that's gonna happen. So we took the back cover off on the bottom here, and we're gonna have to do the same thing on this just to get the harness back into it. We just took the harness out and left it hanging here, so it's just chilling. It was a good thing that wire was broken, because then we would have to take all this off just to get to the inside of that.
Yeah, it actually saved us a little bit of time. Now we just get to reuse the same one that we had before. There she is, baby. Stock truck's up, baby. This is nuts.
Oh, actually, it looks cool. I don't know what that really looks like stock, but it looks like it's got a little bump out here.
Oh yeah, and
You see what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe that's just covering it.
old, new. And here's the car without a trunk.
Well, let's run it like that.
Dude, dude, it's like, you know, the front and rear bumper deletes, trunk delete. Sorry, I'm not the pro. I'm just learning.
Ain't nothing to be sorry about, boys. Learning process. So let's last really thing we have to do is pop this off, put the tail lights in,
harness,
and then put the harness.
She's all tightened, she's mounted, she's ready. Now all we gotta do is just harness and all we gotta pop these clips out.
License plate lights, and that's it.
That's it.
And that's it.
Oh,
Why is this one so much easier?
Why does it feel like?
Pull straight on. Pull. Right on. Remember your strength. Pull. 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 Ready? Yeah.
We got it. I don't want to snap it.
Oh, we got it. We got it. Oops.
Are you gonna put these back on?
No.
Isn't each one of these like 5 horsepower?
In a slow car world? Hell yeah.
On Civic? Yeah.
I'll say it. I'll say it next.
I'm not afraid for that.
Put it down. Let's check the fitment on this baby.
Oh god. Did I slam it or just let it?
I'll just let it go. Oh, she's fitting.
Alright.
Yep. Damn. There she is.
That's WRX.
Sitting pretty. Installation was very easy.
Wow.
That was probably 1 being the easiest, 10 being the hardest. What was it, like a 2 out of 10?
Oh, what?
Installation? Yeah, that was like a 2 out of 10. Easy.
Wow.
And she's already debadged, so you don't have to worry about any of the badges on it. Before? After. Wow. Drastic change. Give you a little side view. Aggressive. So we're gonna hear how she sounds in the garage. Up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed installing it.
thing looks amazing.
Looks great.
Look at it, bro. Let me pull out of the sun real quick.
All right, let's get a quick clip of that. I want to see that. Let's get a view. Even though we don't have a lot of sunlight today. Great. Sheesh.
Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh, he's got a wing. He's got a wing. All right, guys.
All right.
Today's video. This has just been one crazy of a video.
Wonderful. Just step by step as per usual.
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys do like this, go check out our last video. We put the intake and the stage one on it.
Yep.
That's pretty much it. If you guys already haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, comment, whatever button you want to hit.
Get the words out. You got it.
We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Catch you guys next one. Peace out.